All right, how you doing today? Today we're going to be talking about GarageBand 11. Now that Logic Pro 11 has been out for a little over a month now, is there any signs of GarageBand 11 being updated, or is it just going to stay where it is and then Logic Pro will have all those extra features like the bass player, the keyboard player, and such? Does anyone use GarageBand? I never used GarageBand. I've always been a Logic user. So let me know about that in the comments below. You know, Apple usually has updates for these programs at the same time. And it looks like it's been updated 3 months ago to version 10.4.11. And the iOS version has not been updated since, I think, May as well. March 12th, I should say, 2024. Bug fixes and such. So I don't know. Again, like I said, I don't use GarageBand, but I'm sure there's people out there that are wondering. You know, this is the free version that comes with your Mac. And then if you want to get into the production stuff even further, you go to Logic Pro. But GarageBand is, since it's been added to the Macs, has always been a great tool for producers to start off with. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Have you heard any rumors? Do you know anything? Do you even use GarageBand? Or are you sticking with Logic? Or don't you use Logic? Let me know if you want to upgrade to Logic Pro from GarageBand. I don't know. Anyways, do check out the channel. I have hundreds of other videos in my back catalog, all kind of Logic Pro stuff, all kind of music production stuff, all kind of free plugins and stuff like that. Just check it out. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.